In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a full width page in Notion. If you've ever felt like your Notion pages look a bit cramped, or your databases feel squeezed into the center, switching to a full width layout can make everything breathe. It gives your content more room to stretch edge to edge, which is especially helpful for wide tables, calendars, galleries, or multi-column layouts. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can make the switch confidently and know exactly how to change it back anytime. First, open the page you want to expand. You can navigate from your sidebar, a linked page, or your recent pages, however you usually get there. The full width setting is applied per page, so make sure you're on the specific page where you want this change. Once you're in, take a second to glance at the current margins. In the default view, Notion keeps content centered with wider side spaces, which is great for focused reading, but less ideal for large content blocks. Next, open the page settings. Look to the top right of your page and click the three dots icon, the one that sits in the far right corner of the top menu bar. This opens a drop-down with layout and display options. If you're on the web or desktop app, it's in the same spot. On smaller screens, the menu may feel tighter, but the icon works the same way. Now, find the full width option in that menu and toggle it on. When it's enabled, the toggle turns blue, and you'll see your page margins instantly expand to the edges of your screen. Your content should now have more room to breathe, which makes databases easier to scan and multi-column sections more balanced. If your page includes images, embeds, or wide columns, you'll notice the difference right away. Keep in mind that on very small screens, the visual change might be subtle, but on larger monitors, it's a game changer for readability and layout flexibility. If you ever want to revert back to the narrow centered view, it's just as simple. Open the same three dots menu and toggle full width off. Your page snaps back immediately, so you can choose the layout that fits the content and context every time. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.